How and we are today going to preview the Sonic and Tails plushie for Sonic. He can run really fast. I'm just good at letting him spin. Since he can hold on Tailsman, he is fine. Okay, Tails. He can fly. We're good at playing video games. He has nose. Look at his face. Huh?